So we're going to set up your Padlet for your SMART goal, and I'm going to show you how to turn it in here. So open up Padlet, click on Make. I think it makes most sense because we're kind of doing this on a timeline to use the timeline here. You can make any adjustments that you want to this Padlet by clicking on this little gear shift over there. You can change the wallpaper, including choose your own wallpaper. You can find images. Let's say that your SMART goal is to learn how to play the guitar. So you can find a pretty picture to add to your background. You're going to want to change your Padlet name. You can name it whatever you want. It's obviously a 14-day SMART goal. All right, write whatever you want in there. Click on Save, and then just close it. At the bottom here are these the little plus sign to start your Padlet. So what you're going to do is just set it up. On It's Learning, you have a page that looks like this. It's called 14-Day SMART Goal Project. It has all the information about what I'm looking for. So each of these 9 pieces, we're going to go ahead and put on our Padlet. So for today, you're just going to do the title. So for the subject line, here's the first one. Click Publish. You can come back to this at any point. Open it up, edit the post, and here's where you would actually, should be a full paragraph or several sentences to make your SMART goal and make sure that you have all the pieces in there. The S, M, the A, R, T. So anyway, you would write this at any point. You can add pictures to this, which is kind of nice as well, to any of these pieces. So if you click on this, you can add a picture. Okay. All right. Click on the second one. The second topic is a motivational quote. Find some saying or poster or something online that motivates you to keep going or speaks to why you're doing this. Possible obstacles. What are things that may get in your way? Oopsie, I spelled obstacles wrong. What are things that may get in your way of being successful with this? My champions. These are people that are going to help you get to your goal or who could be encouraging to you. We'll come back to that later. Journal number 1. Journal number 2. 3 and 4. The last piece is the goal reflection. You'll have several questions that you'll have to answer at the end of your 14-day SMART goal, and that will be posted later. Okay, so if we look at, I just zoomed out a little bit so you can see it. So if you look at your whole SMART goal, you should have 9 tabs, just like you had 9 things to do on It's Learning. So I have 9 there. You should have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Before you link your Padlet to my Padlet, you need to make sure you go back and actually type in your entire SMART goal here. Over the next couple days, I'm going to grade all of these and make sure that you have all of the pieces of the SMART all written out in this paragraph. So now that we've got our SMART goal organized, go back to your overview page. And right here on the right-hand side, it says attach your 14-day SMART goal Padlet here. You can actually attach it to this. It's easier to see this if you pull it all the way open. So click on this little box so you can see the entire thing. If you click the plus, the 3 little dots, and see right here where it says Padlet, that'll allow you to attach your Padlet. So click on that, And these will be your Padlets that pop up here. So you'll click on the one that you just created. Right there. And your name will be attached to it, so you don't even have to put a subject in there. And click on Publish. There you go. And that way I can go back and grade it. Everybody's will end up being right on here. Ask if you have questions, please.